So in this session, we are going to discuss SAP MM end user roles and what are the topics that if you just want to go with the SAP MM end user job role, which topics you should cover. So we are going to see that, and SAP MM end user, or you can say storekeeper, these are the designations sometimes you see, like purchase assistant, operational staff, procurement head, procurement engineer. These are the designation you can see in organizations for SAP MM end user. So in SAP MM end user, we are going to see these topics, whatever we are going to cover for SAP MM end user point of view. And this is the most awaited topic, because so many of you have requested me to create a video on SAP MM end user topics. Like if someone just want to go for SAP MM end user, like someone just want to become consultant, but someone have the aspiration to become only as an end user, so these topics will help them a lot to crack their first job interview for SAP MM end user. So what we are going to see from very basic, from very start, we are going to see like basic navigations. We are going to see like how to log in, how to log off, how to use the favorite in SAP Easy Access screen, how to use navigation to create PO, PR, GR, how to do that we will see. And we will see how to create a material master record by just using these T codes, how you can create a raw material, how you can create a finished product, or how you can create a customized material, that we will see. Valuation class, valuation area, that all we will see. And what is that vendor master record, how we can create a vendor master record in ECC and in S4 HANA, that also we will see. How to create a purchase requisition, then we will see like how we can create a purchase requisition by just using T code ME51N. And what is purchase requisition, what's the business use for that purchase requisition, we will see that also. We will see like how we can convert PR to purchase order, like purchase requisition to PR, what's a T code, what are the steps for that, so that we can easily create a PR to PO, that also we will see. We will see display and change PO, what's the T code to display PO, what's the T code to change PO, that also we will see. Goods receipt, like what's a T code to do goods receipt, and how we are going to do that in SAP system. And we will see invoice posting, how end users used to do invoice posting in SAP S4 HANA screen. And we will see all these concepts in SAP S4 HANA latest version. SAP S4 HANA 2023 is the latest version till now. So we are going to cover all these topics on SAP S4 HANA 2023 screen. We will see how we can see as an end user stock overview, like how much stock is available in company's premises, and as per that we can create a PO. Material document display, we will see PO history tracking, right? Release strategy, what is release strategy, what's the business use of release strategy, how to do that, we will see each and everything. Request for quotation, how to create a request for quotation, what's a T code for that, that we will also see. So let me take you simply to SAP Easy Access screen. So this you can see here on the screen is a SAP logon that we used to see. SAP logon, once you install SAP GUI, so this icon will come on your screen. And how can you install? I already made so many videos to how to install SAP GUI for all the versions. I just made a video, just check the playlist in my channel, just check the playlist like SAP GUI installation with the name SAP GUI installation. You can see all the playlists there. So this is SAP logon, so you just need to double click on that. And to use that server, you need to take server on rent. How can you take server on rent? You can ping me on my WhatsApp number for server access. If you want to take server access on rent, you can simply ping me on my WhatsApp number. How you are going to find my WhatsApp number? Simply just see first pin comment, or in description box also I will mention my WhatsApp number here. So what you need to do, just double click on that icon, SAP logon icon, just give your user ID here, give your password here, and hit enter simply. Continue, hit enter. And this is first screen you can see is a SAP Easy Access screen. So mostly end users are going to work on that SAP Easy Access screen. So mostly end users are working mainly on that SAP Easy screen, and consultants are mostly working in backend SPRO in implementation guide. They are working on these nodes, whatever standard configuration they just want to perform. They used to do all in that SPRO backend. You can see from here itself. Okay, but as a end user, you don't require any access to that SPRO. You just simply need the access for that SAP Easy Access screen. So you can see like several nodes are there in that. So through navigation you can create purchase requisition, purchase order, that all you can do. I will explain that also. Okay, just hold on for some time. I will explain each and everything. So first I am telling you how to log in. So just double click on that SAP logon, just give your user ID, just give your password and just click on login, and you can simply come to that screen. Now we will see how we can log off. So to log off or to log out, there are 4 ways are there. So first you can just go to this menu bar and just go to system, and you can just click on this log off icon or log off icon. You can see here, and you can just need to click yes here. Once you click on yes here, you will simply log off from here. So I'm not going to log off because I want to show you each and every ways to log off. So this is first way to log off, like just go to menu bar, just go to system and just click on log off icon from here. Second way to log off is, you can see here, this is a command prompt. Once you can give here your command here like /NEND and you just hit enter here, you can simply log off from here, right? So this is how you can log off. If I will just click yes, I will log off. Simply I need to log in again. I need to give my password here, user ID and password, and hit enter. I can simply come to this SAP Easy Access screen. Now third way to log off is just use this icon here. So from here also you can log off. If I will just click on yes, again it will log off, but I'm not going to select yes. This time I'm going to select no. And fourth way to log off is just use T code /NEX. But you will see, by just using this T code, I can log off in single step itself. Like hit enter, I will log off in single step. That pop-up message is not coming. Like, do you want to log off? That data will be lost. That message will not come. Let me log in again. Hit enter. So this is SAP Easy Access screen where end user is going to create all purchase requisition, RFQ, purchase order. They can do with the help of navigation also, and they can also do with the help of a T code, transaction code. So let me show you navigation, like just navigate to logistic. If we want to create a purchase order, we will just go to logistic node, and then we will go to this material management node, and here purchasing node is there. You can see if end user want to create a purchase order, he will just go to this node. If end user just want to create a purchase requisition, he will just go to this purchase requisition node. If they just want to create a request for quotation, they will just simply go to this node. So let me show you purchase order. So I will just go here and I will double click on this, and I will double click on this. So simply it will take me to create purchase order screen. Same like that, I can change purchase order, I can display purchase order from here. So this is a display screen that opened. Right now you can see you can't change anything here because this is a display screen, right? Same like that, we can create a purchase requisition also from here. This is a node for purchase requisition. So you can simply create a purchase requisition from here. If you want to create a RFQ, you can simply create from here itself, right? So this is how, with the help of navigation also, end user can open all these transactions like purchase order, purchase requisition, all these transactions end user can do. And with the help of T code also it can be done. like ME21 and is a T code to create a purchase order. So simply this T code, once you hit enter, this same purchase order screen will open here. So with the help of T code also it can be done, right? Now let me tell you how you can create a favorite. Like if someone don't remember all these T codes, how they can add these T codes in the favorite. Even in the favorite we can add any URL address or our YouTube link, anything we can add in that favorite. So let me show you how we can create a favorite here. So favorite tab, just go to this favorite tab in that menu bar, just go to this insert folder and just give your folder name here. So my folder name, let me give SAP T code. You can give anything, just hit enter. This folder just created. Now I just want to add some transactions, some transaction T codes there. How I'm going to add that? So simply I will just select this and I will go to favorite and I will go to insert transaction. You can see this below insert folder, there is a tab insert transaction. Just go there. Whatever T code I just want to add here, I will add. So let's suppose I just want to add ME21N here. I will give ME21N. You can see create purchase order. This is come. So once I will just double click here, simply it will take me to this screen. Okay, like that I can add multiple T codes here. Let's suppose I want to add some more T codes. Again I will go to this favorite. Again I will go to this insert transaction. Let's suppose I just want to give MM01 here T code. This T code MM01 to create material master record. I'm just giving here and hit enter. This is also added here. So directly I can open that screen, create material master record screen from here itself. Right? So this is how we can add a favorite. And from drag and drop also we can do. Right now we have seen how we can add with the help of this favorite tab. Now we will see how we can add T codes here by just doing drag and drop. So just go to logistic. Let's suppose I just want to add this T code. This T code I just want to add. So I will just select drag and drop here and it will come here. So with the help of drag and drop also I can perform that. You can see now create purchase notification screen directly open from here. So we can add favorite tab here like that. And if we want to add some other if we just want to add some other objects, for example we just want to add some web address like Google or Gmail, we just want to add, we just need to add the web address here. We can simply add this in our favorite. We can just give like Google, okay, and we can give here like Google URL, whatever Google URL we have, like www.google.com. So this is all you can do in the favorite. With the help of favorite you can add all this in your favorite tab or in your favorite folder. So if I just select this URL from here, you will see the magic. And I will just give web address here, hit enter. You can see I can directly connect to Google. I can directly go to Google page from here itself. See how wonderful that SAP system is. If you compare with another ERPs, how wonderful or how beautiful this SAP system or SAP ERP system is. Okay, so this is how you can do the navigation, how you can do login and log off. So this is our first chapter or first topic that we have covered. Now we will see material master. So what is that material master? So material master means like we are going to create a profile of material master record in our SAP screen, right? So whatever material we are using to our day-to-day activity, we are creating a material master record, a record for that in our SAP screen, you can say. So we will just use T code MM01 to create a material master record. Here we can give any material number. It can be alphabet or it can be alphanumeric also. So let me give this material number, any material number you can give, and here we will give a industry sector. So industry sector I am taking mechanical engineering, you can take any industry sector. And here in raw material, in material type I am taking raw material. So material type can be raw material, it can be finished product, it can be semi-finished product, it can be like half fault, semi-finished, finished, spare part, it can be anything like that, right? So let me select raw material from here. This is ROH, standard raw material, material type. So as a consultant have to configure all these things like industry sector, material type, material, that all is configured by consultant, like material type, industry sector. But you as an end user, you just need to give all these, whatever is configured by consultant, you just need to mention all these details, and you just need to select views. If you just want to create a material master record, just select a view from here, and we are going to select 4 views like basic data 1, purchasing, accounting 1, storage location 1, accounting 1, just go to org level, just go to this plant, storage location, hit enter here. Let me give my material number here, basic unit of measurement, material group, hit enter. So from here we can give our valuation class, whatever our valuation class is, and like that we can create, we can give our standard price, we can give our variable price or moving average price, you can say. So whatever mandatory details are there, we are giving only mandatory details here, okay, like valuation class. In accounting 1 view we are giving valuation class, and we are giving that price, and all these details we are giving. Hit enter and say this is a final screen, and you can see here this, from here you can see material is created. So this material is created, this material number, material 1 2 3 is created. Right, so this is material number that we have created. So this is a sign like this material is created. So this is how we can create a material master record. Let's suppose as an end user I just want to make the changes in that material master record. I just made some mistake in that material master record. I just want to make some changes in that material master record. So simply I will just use T code MM02, and I will give material number here. I will select the views from here. Let's suppose I just want to make the changes in accounting 1 view only. So I will just select that, but let's suppose I want to make the changes in all these views, basic data 1 also, purchasing also, accounting 1 also, then I will select all these views. Otherwise whatever changes I just want to make in any of the respective view, I will select that view only, and I will just click and I will just mention all these details here like plant, storage location. So you need to maintain your plant, your storage location. So as a end user, you need not to create plant, storage location. Consultant you are going to create, they are going to provide you all these details. You just need to mention all these details while creating a material master record, if you are creating any material master record. So hit enter. Mostly like material master record also created by MDM consultants. So but in some cases, in some organization, that end users are creating that also. So this is the reason I mention this topic also in that. Okay, so hit, like I just want to make the changes in basic data 1. So whatever changes I just want to make, let's suppose material group I want to change. From that 01 material group, I just want to make this material group 02. I will just simply select from here, I will hit enter and I will save it. And if I make the changes in some another view also, from here itself we can select the views. Like if I want to make the changes in accounting 1 view, I will simply go to accounting one view and I will just make the changes. Whatever changes I just want to make, I can make from here itself. Okay, if I want to make the changes only in basic data one view, so I can switch to the views from here itself, right? And let's suppose I want to make the change in description also, hit enter and save it. So like that we can change a material master record. So the same material number is there. So we have created by just using T code MM01. We have changed by just using T code MM02. Now if I want to display, I will just simply use T code MM03. So in that MM03, I will just give my material number. I will select the views from here. Whatever view I just want to see, I want to display, I will select from here simply. So let's suppose I just want to see purchasing view. I will select purchasing view from here. I will hit enter. I will give my plant here and I can display. So right now I'm in a display mode. Okay, I'm in a display mode. Right. So this is how we can create a material master record by just using T code MM01. We can change by just using T code MM02 and we can display by just using T code MM03. Okay, and these key fields also we have used. That key fields also we have used like material type, raw material, ROH, finished product, FERT, basic unit of measurement, like each I have taken valuation class, like for raw material its standard valuation class is 3000, 3001, 3002, 3003. So this is how you can create a material master record, right? Let me show you notes also if you want to see. Meanwhile it's for consultant, but you can see. So here it is. So for configuration part for consultant, we will see all these things, but for end user, we will only see like how to create a material master record. Right, so you can create directly by just using T code MM01 and you can make the changes by just using T code MM02. Okay, like T code to create is MM01, T code to change is MM02 and T code to display is MM03. So these three T codes are there and these are the standard materials. Like for raw material, material type or material code is ROH. For spare part, material code is ERSA, IRSA. For semi-finished goods, material type is HUL, and for finished goods, material type is FUT. So you can see these are the standard material types. Mostly you are going to use these four standard material type. And for services, if we want to purchase some services also, then this is SERV. Okay, SERV. And if I want to see the list of material, whatever material master record or materials I have created in SAP system, if I want to see that, how I can do that? Simply I will go to SAP screen. Let me give my user ID and password, hit enter, select this first option, hit enter. When this option used to come, and like when we didn't log out properly at that time, that option used to come. So just select this first option. Now I am going to see the list of materials by just using T code MM60. So by just using this T code MM60, I can see the list of my material master records. So this is my plant. Here I just need to mention my plant and just execute from here. You can see list of my all material. These all are material number that I have created in that system. This is a description. This is a plant for that. This is a date on which I just changed last time. This is a material type. This field is for material group, for which group this used to belong, like electrical group, electronic group, metallurgical group, whatever group they used to belong. Unit of measurement, it can be each, it can be kg, it can be kilogram, it can be any unit of measurement. Purchasing group, like which group of pupils are going to responsible for that, that all configured by consultant. But as an end user, it's not our role to create all these things. Max to max we are going to create a material, that also done by MDM consultant, as I was explaining to you. But sometimes in some organization, very rarely, like material master record also created by end users. This is a valuation class, this is a price control. So this all be seen only in case of a consultant role. But for an end user, we just required that how to create by just using T code MM01, how to change by just using T code MM02, how to display by just using T code MM03. So that all only we have seen here. Now this material master record topic is covered. Now we will see next topic. This is vendor master record. So vendor master record in ECC we used to create by just using T code XK01, but as an end user you need not to create this vendor master record or that BP business partner in SAP S4 HANA or that material master record. But I am just explaining you, like if some interviewer is going to ask to you what is that vendor master record, what is that material master record, at least you can explain that. So material master record, we are maintaining material related data like material group, material unit of measurement, and their valuation class, their price, all these details we are maintaining in material master record. Same like that in vendor master record, we are maintaining vendor related informations like name of the vendor, its description, vendors details, like their bank details, their accounting details. We are seeing all these details on that we are seeing. So this is like a vendor master record, how we are creating a vendor master record, right?